northern part of it for us. We are now going inland. We just left Innisfail, which was about 15 minutes from Parallel Park or so.
Yeah, about that.
And then we are driving towards Mount Garnet to a free rest stop for the night, unless we find something else interesting to see on the way, which keep you posted. Oh, we certainly did find some beautiful things to look at. Starting with the Mila Mila waterfall, a very, very popular spot for this beautiful waterfall, 18 meters tall. The scenery around us that day was just spectacular. Rolling hills as far as the eye can see, cows just chomping on grass, and this majestic lookout. Take a big deep breath in and enjoy the view. A little bit further down, we came across the Windy Hill wind farm. They reminded me of giant flowers slowly blowing in the wind. It was pretty cool standing just below one of them and not hearing anything. They are so silent. We were really spoiled with waterfalls that day because we came across another one in Millstream. I expected to arrive at the bottom of the waterfalls, but you actually arrive from the top of it, which is kind of rare, I think, and it's really cool to see. Wow, I did not know what to expect walking down this little path, and I couldn't even hear any water that would let me know that was a big waterfall, but my God, look at this. Even from up here I can feel a bit of sprinkle from the water all the way down there. It's not exactly pleasant, but you know, if you want to see some fun stuff, sometimes you just have to go on the rough roads.
Okay, this is me walking up to the top of this crater. A bit puff, but hopefully it's worth it. This is the view of the top, from the top of the crater. The crater itself isn't much to look at, but the outside view seems pretty good. This is the crater itself. Obviously what you expect, just a big indent in the ground.
What was that, Pete? Had the vibrations?
We're almost at 5,000 kilometers! Yay! Oh shit!
And we've just passed the 5,000 Ks on that trip. And here sometimes the main road just becomes one lane for no apparent reason. So you kind of have to pull over to the side to let other people go past. Cool campsite for tonight. We have cows around and some birds and a little lake. And the van, just a little bit dirty after all those dirt roads. On the menu tonight we have chickpea curry with coconut milk. Let us show you how we cook it.
In the bush.
So for this recipe you are going to need rice, which we are going to cook in there soon. Some tomato paste, we don't have any, but we have this pizza sauce in the fridge we already had, and it's mostly tomato paste in there anyway, so that will do. You're gonna need a can of chickpeas, a can of coconut milk, some oil, a small onion, and for spices you need some turmeric, garam masala, and cinnamon. So first we're gonna cook some rice. While the water for the rice is boiling, maybe we should get Pete to cut the onion. Pete? Onion? Copy it. So next you want to saute the onion in oil until they're translucent. Next go in the spices. You can also put a little bit of ginger if you like this, but we don't, so we didn't put it in. Next we add our coconut milk, add a bit of salt, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Stir that in and let it cook through for about 10-15 minutes or until it thickens up. Enjoy!